All right, let's dive right into this explainer for your upcoming exam on AI agent types and structures.
We're covering exactly what you gotta memorize: simple reflex, goal-based, and utility-based agents. Let's go.
But first, right back to basics. What exactly is an AI agent anyway?
Basically, it perceives its environment through sensors, processes that data, and takes action using actuators.
Think of a physical robot. Its camera acts as a sensor, and its mechanical legs are the actuators.
Now, all agents share this basic setup, but their internal processing gets progressively way more complex.
Let's start with the simple reflex agent. It literally just follows basic if-then condition action rules.
The crucial exam point here? Its fatal flaw. It totally ignores history, only seeing the present moment.
So, how do we fix this history blindness and move beyond those simple, rigid rules?
Enter the goal-based agent. It actually calculates how to minimize the overall distance to its goal.
It's constantly asking, hey, will this specific action move me closer to or further from my objective? But there's a catch. It's super inflexible and basically only knows one direction, toward the goal.
Okay, let's level up to our final form for the test: the utility-based agent. These guys don't just blindly chase a goal. They actually calculate the happiest possible state. Like, if the shortest path has heavy traffic, it'll calculate a better alternative to arrive happy.
Structurally, it just adds a utility component to evaluate the actual outcome of an action before moving.
Boom! Here's your ultimate exam cheat sheet, comparing the core focuses and limitations of each agent.
Definitely screenshot that. But consider this. What happens if the environment changes faster than it calculates utility?